McKenna, and today I'm going to show you how to get started with the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot. You will find the robot, dock, dustbin, mopping pads, side brush, and fluid reservoir included in the box. Place the dock against a wall on a level surface and plug the dock into a wall outlet. The base light will turn green when plugged in correctly. Place the landing mat under your charging dock. Remove any protective plastic from your robot and the dock. Snap the side brush on the bottom side of the robot. Place your robot on the dock with the buttons of the robot facing towards the dock. Ensure the robot is properly aligned on the base chargers, and a blue LED icon on the dock will indicate the robot charging. When only the robot dustbin is attached, it only enables dry vacuum mode. When the robot fluid reservoir is attached to the dustbin, this will enable mopping mode. The robot will simultaneously mop and vacuum at the same time. For best practice, it is recommended to clean out the dustbin and mopping pad after each use. Download the Shark Clean app for full functionality of the robot's cleaning features like home mapping, no-go zones, whole home cleaning, and targeted cleaning missions. Your first robot run is an explore run. Before your first run, clear any socks, cords, toys, and debris from the floor, and open doors to any rooms you would like the robot to enter. It's recommended your robot have at least 50% battery before beginning your explore run. During its explore run, your robot will navigate around your home, building the map of your home. Use this map to help set zones, create rooms, and verify carpets. This will enable you to start targeted zone cleanings from the app. For more information on the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot, visit sharkclean.com. Your robot can perform dry cleaning when only the dustbin is inserted. Insert the dustbin by aligning the side notches with the slots in the robot. Slide the dustbin on until it clicks securely into place. You can place the robot in a specific unclean spot and try out Ultra Clean by pressing the Clean button for 5 to 7 seconds. Shark's exclusive Ultra Clean technology takes on the most difficult areas of your home. It increases suction and intelligently cleans up and back and side to side to go over messes multiple times for a deeper clean. With Ultra Clean mode, you can select specific rooms or high traffic areas to spot clean. Follow the prompts in the app to enable Ultra Clean mode. Using the app, you can also select other features like setting up no-go zones for your robot to ensure a customized clean. To ensure the best cleaning performance, it is recommended to clean your robot's brush roll and side brush periodically. Before performing any maintenance on your robot, always power it off by holding the power button down for 5 to 7 seconds. To clean your brush roll, remove it from the robot and remove any hair wrap or debris. Reattach once clean. To clean the side brushes, remove them from the robot. Remove any hair or debris from the bristles and reattach once finished. To clean the dustbin, remove from the robot, wipe with a cloth, and reattach once clean. After the robot has finished its explore run and your home map is complete, you can verify carpet zones in the app. Carpet zones ensure the robot avoids these rugs or carpets in these areas while in mopping mode. After setting up the carpet zones, complete the carpet verification run in the app to confirm the size and locations of the rugs. You will then need to insert the flat edge of the mopping pad through the slot in the top of the fluid reservoir and then secure it on the back of the dustbin. After the mopping pad is attached, fill the tank with 3/4 water followed by 1/4 of the bath mop solution. Once the reservoir is filled, insert the fluid reservoir into the robot. You can place the robot in a specific unclean spot and try out the Ultra Mop mode by pressing the Clean button for 5 to 7 seconds. Ultra Mop technology starts by using powerful suction to vacuum up the dry debris while the mopping pad follows behind, scrubbing your floors 100 times per minute and swirling to scrub away dried-on dirt and stains. It also covers tougher messes in all directions, left to right, then up and down in a swirling pattern. You can also select a specific area on the app. With Ultra Mop mode, you can target specific rooms, high traffic areas, or just stubborn spots. Follow the prompts in the app to enable Ultra Mop mode. Using the app, you can also select other features, like setting up no-go zones for your robot to ensure a customized clean. When mopping is complete, remove the reservoir by pressing the fill port button and sliding the reservoir out. Remove the mopping pad by taking out the flat edge of the pad through the slot in the top of the fluid reservoir. Clean and dry the mopping pad after each use. Press and hold the button while lifting the lid using the finger slots. Empty debris and dust into the trash. Wash your dustbin if needed using water. For best practices, empty the dustbin after each use.